So today we are going to study about a topic named septic tank. Now, what's actually a septic tank? A septic tank is a below ground water box made of concrete, plastic or fiberglass, often about 9 by 5 by 6 feet. It separates the liquids and the solids and provides digestion of some organics, mainly by bacteria which live without oxygen and storage. This discharges partially filtered and clarified effluent to the drain field for final treatment. Now a question arises: who has a septic tank system? So, if a building having a plumbing facility is not on a city sewer system, then in most cases it has a septic tank system, which is also known as an on-site wastewater disposal system or subsurface wastewater disposal system to dispose of the wastewater. So here we can see a diagram of a septic tank. It has an inlet baffle, the inspection port, the access port, another inspection port, the outlet pipe, the outlet T, and the scum and grease and the sludge. So here we can see the cross section of a septic tank. Now in the given diagram we can see the two access hatches, and on the left hand side we can see the wastewater coming from kitchen and bathroom through the inlet pipe. So as it enters here, it is formed into actually three layers. The first layer is called the scum layer, the second layer is called the sludge layer, and after that the effluent from here is being transformed and thrown out through the effluent pipe outside, after which the effluent water is being sent for further treatment. So here is the full element of septic tank. We can see the inlet pipe, the access ports, the scum layer, the baffle, another access port, the outlet pipe, and the clarified zone along with the sludge layer. So once again we see it's a primary horizontal continuous flow type of sedimentation tank having extra provision of digestion of settled sludge. So it has three properties. The detention time varies from 12 to 36 hours. It removes 60 to 70% of the dissolved matters, and the cleaning period is from 6 months to 3 years. Now details about the sizing of tank. So generally it's prescribed for individual homes based on the home size. The criteria says that the hydraulic retention time plus solid storage varies from 1 to 2 days of retention time of the total flow of the design, and it adds solid storage volume which is equal to 1/3 to half of the above hydraulic retention. Let us look at the tank materials. It is formed of reinforced concrete or fiberglass reinforced plastic and polythene or polypropylene. So what actually happens in the tank? So we can see that from the left hand side The wastewater from the kitchen and bathroom enters through the inlet pipe, and these are separated in the form of scum in the upper layer and sludge in the lower layer. After that, the sludge containing the effluent comes out through the effluent pipe and goes out, which is being further processed for treatment. The role of septic tank. Here, anaerobic fermentation of solids takes place. It reduces the load of pathogens in the effluent. It holds the effluent for 2 to 3 days for improved safety. It retains solid material to prevent blockage of further disposal system. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a septic tank? Advantage: it can be easily constructed. There is no maintenance problem. It removes the excess amount of BOD. Very less amount of solids are produced, and it's of low cost. Disadvantage: its size should be very large to serve many people. It has a smell problem. It needs periodic cleaning. So, here are some things which can be done to prolong the life of a septic system. First, we have to pump out the accumulated solids from the septic tank regularly. We have to check it every 3 years and typically pump it out every 5 to 7 years. We don't need to overload it. We don't need to put things which don't readily decompose into a septic system. For example, grease, cooking oils, sanitary napkins, chemicals, and so on. We don't need to drive on it or build over it. So, septic tank is widely used in wastewater treatment. This method has several significant advantages like very less byproducts, low energy, low space requirement, and highly efficient. In septic tank, the treatment process is anaerobic present, and due to modeling of anaerobic system and the analysis of anaerobic treatment has become simple. By model analysis, we can also write the several computer programs for given input and parameter at different times.